blue, pink,
Yellow.
so cool.
Pink.
Pink car in the yellow garage. We need to fix it.
Let's go.
Go, 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 go. Let's color it yellow.
Yellow. Red. Blue.
Let's start the music. Blue car in the red garage. Super. Let's go.
Red. Blue.
Wow, cool car! Red car in a blue garage. We need to fix it. Let's fix it. Bye bye. Now it's blue.
Blue. Pink.
Wow, such a nice car.
Yellow.
But this yellow and a pink garage. I will fix it. Bye. Wow, what is that? Let's paint this car. Yay, pink color.
Pink.
Yellow, red, blue, pink. Yay! Lucky Wow, magic! Yeah, more blocks! Yay! Wow! Yeah!
Chris, let's play together!
Yes! Thank you, Chris. You're welcome.
And don't forget to share with your friends.
Yeah!
I have box maze challenge for you!
Yay!
Hey Chris, use the tool to stop the fan and go to another box.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
This will help me. Yeah, I saw the fan.
Go through the tunnel to the next box. Chris, hurry up. Chris, you need to find the key.
I need to find the key. It's candies. But where's key? Maybe this one.
Chris, never give up. Try one more time.
Okay, Mommy. Oh, what's that? Is it meant to be jelly? I found the key!
Chris, hurry up. We have a limited time. Chris, are you here? Hurry up, Chris. You have a next box. Come on.
Okay, let's go. So many bricks.
But don't forget to get out of here. You have to move out all the blocks and find the key. Use your strength.
Good job. I found the key. Okay, let's open it.
Follow the arrows. Go, this way.
What's that?
Chris, you need to fill out the bucket and don't forget about the key.
Okay.
Chris, hurry up. Time is over. Faster.
Don't worry, Mommy. I know what to do. Christmas. Yay!
Pop the balloon and get the key.
Oh, I know what to do.
Hurry up. You have a limit of time.
I found the key! Yay! What?
You have to use your body flexibility and don't touch the laser.
Okay, let's do it. Give me key.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome. Faster, come on!
Oh no, Florama!
Chris, look around. Use the bottle of water.
Yeah, I won! Mommy, I see something. I found the key.
Oh, please. Oh, it's amazing. The